Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Duduzile Zuma Sompudla, the daughter of Jacob Zuma, the former president of South Africa. One thing about Duduzile, she will shade the current president Cyril Ramaphosa every chance she gets. She posted a picture showing Cyril Ramaphosa sleeping in a meeting and captioned the image, "This one is not a sitting president, he is a sleeping president." What was meant to make the president a joke turned out to be a laughingstock for former President Ubaba Jacob Zuma. But there was one trip who agreed with her and said, "One thing about him, when he's around black people he sleeps. You should see him at G7 meetings." But others turned his father a laughingstock. One trip posted an image of Ubaba Jacob Zuma sleeping and wrote, "This one was always awake, Jovijo." Another one said, "You reckon?" Another one also defended the former President Jacob Zuma and said, whenever he woke up, he built a university, he built a road, he built a clinic, he built a hospital, he built a school, he took children to universities. He then dealt with Askara in the ANC. Whenever the current sleepiest wakes up, he thinks about his palapala dollars. He tortures people. Well, I'm pretty sure Duduzile didn't expect such comments, especially the ones that were shading his father. Do you think it's wise for our leaders to sleep in meetings? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.